With my Board Buddy GAIR, a visually impaired student can follow and manipulate the content of a digital projection via projector or smartboard on a monitor on their desk. The operation is very simple and intuitive for young children, even without computer knowledge. The My Board Buddy GAIR is the ideal solution for students in a fixed classroom. Installation of the My Board Buddy GAIR requires no technical knowledge. A set consists of a My Board Buddy transmitter, a My Board Buddy receiver and the controller. Provide a sufficiently large monitor on the student's desk with HDMI connection. The connection can be made in two ways. If presenting directly from a smartboard, connect the smartboard with the transmitter by connecting the output of the smartboard with the input of the My Board Buddy transmitter using an HDMI cable. When connecting from a source, like a laptop to the smartboard, first connect the HDMI cable from the smartboard to the output of the My Board Buddy transmitter, then connect the laptop to the input of the transmitter. Then plug in the 12-volt power adapter, and finally turn on the switch. The My Board Buddy transmitter will now start up. As soon as both LEDs light up, the transmitter is fully powered up and ready to use. Connecting the My Board Buddy GAIR receiver is done in 3 steps. Connect the student's monitor to the HDMI port on the My Board Buddy receiver. Then connect the controller to one of the 2 USB ports on this receiver. Now turn on the screen first. Finally, connect the power adapter to the USB-C port. Then you will see the My Board Buddy startup screen. Using the My Board Buddy GAIR is completely focused on ease of use, so the user gets used to the device and its operation very quickly. The user has the ability to magnify the image and manipulate the colors. On the controls, on the left side you see a joystick reminiscent of a game console and on the right side 5 colorful buttons. The yellow buttons refer to image magnification, the top one will make the image larger and the bottom one smaller. You can use the joystick to move the image if magnification was set. The white button stands in for color inversion. The red button allows you to obtain an image in grayscale while maintaining some color information. This can highlight difficult to read text a bit more. The green button will restore the image in full screen mode. By using a combination of buttons, you can activate additional functions. Press the joystick and the green button simultaneously to switch between full screen magnification and partial magnification with a virtual magnifying glass. Press the joystick and the white button simultaneously to freeze the screen. Press the same combination again to return to the live image. Press the joystick and the red button simultaneously for 4 seconds to reinitiate the connection with the transmitter. You can even play videos smoothly. If you still have questions when installing or using the My Board Buddy, please check out the physical installation instructions or contact dealer support at sensortech.com.